Oh my god. Parking is really tough. Oh, it's not closing. Uh-oh. Okay. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel once again. Today, I'm going to travel. Yes, I'm taking my car, my Swift. Actually, I'm not going alone. I'm going with my parents. So I have to take my car. We are going to Ooty and we have a program at Ooty. Our church annual camp is going to take place this week. This is the Passion Week. And yeah, let's get rolling. It's right now 2:20 in the afternoon. It's very sunny, very hot, so I'm wearing this fast track driving gear. Very comfortable, and I'll be driving to Patramthita right now, and then we'll leave to Kochi. Let's go! Shh.
Day 2.
And good morning from Thrissur. Alright, it's 11 a.m. in the morning and I've really slept well, and I woke up around 9:30 a.m. in the morning, and right now we are getting ready to go to Ooty. It's almost going to be 11 a.m. I might be driving from Thrissur, and after some time I'll switch. Dad will drive so that I can shoot on the way. So that's all about it. The ride was very good. I still stay at Dad's quarters, so it was a very pleasant stay too. Now we are a bit late. That's no problem. We are riding to Ooty. I just can't wait. You know, the temperature there is so cold. People said like 14 degrees, 10 degrees. Never been to Ooty like in the last 10 years, I guess. But I used to go there before that, like, you know, almost every month. So I'm super happy and super excited. So let's get going. Right now we have done 308 kilometers yesterday. And we have like 200 to 50 kilometers to go. And we'll be covering it in like under 5 hours. That's what we intend to do. Let's see. Of the place, it's like 80 kilometers to Ooty. So we just stopped to have lunch at Hotel Sri Vrindavan. It's a pure vegetarian restaurant. I was not happy with it at first, but then the food was really great. And now we're all set to go 80 more kilometers. The map says we'll take like 2 hours more. I think the roads are small or something like that. Maybe traffic, but let's see. 2 hours, 80 kilometers. So then see ya guys at Ooty. Let's go. Right now at Ooty, it's 5:15 in the evening, and we have to go to our campsite like around 6 p.m. But right now, we are, you know, parking. We just parked our car, and we have to put our bags and everything in our room, and then we'll be heading there. It's just an update. Let's go. Hello guys, so at Coorg right now, it's 2nd of April morning, 9 a.m. We're off to Mangalore. It is birthday today or Hartal or whatever, but you know we're still going because we have to reach Trivandrum by tomorrow morning at least. So now we're off to Mangalore. The stay at Coorg was really awesome. The temperature is like around 18 degrees, 20 degrees, not so hot, not so cold. You know, I really miss Ooty. Ooty was really great. The camp was awesome. And now it's time, you know, to go. I couldn't vlog in on the way. I was sleeping, and then we came to Mysore. If you have seen my other video, like from Bangalore to Mangalore, you might know the route and all that. So I didn't shoot much. Also, I'm driving. I was driving from Mysore to Coorg. Now from Coorg to Mangalore. So let's go. Mall right now. If you saw my last Mangalore to Trivandrum video, you might know this place. It's a good mall at Mangalore and the best place to come and chill. That was McDonald's the last time we ate at McDonald's. So here we are, and we are resting here for some time. And then we'll have food and then leave to Kochi. Let's go. Back to Kerala. Woohoo! Let's go. 417 kilometers to Kochi and 620 kilometers to home. Feels good to be back to Kerala, like after how many days? 5 days, 6 days, oh my god.
6.5 hours later.
Yay, so we are right now at Calicut at 7:30 p.m. and we just came to the same place I came for the other ride from Mangalore to Trivandrum. The same place. It's called Chattim Kalom. And yeah, now we are off to Kochi straight via Thrissur. So we have, you know, it's 7:30 in the evening and we have to be there by 10:30 at Thrissur and then 11:30 at Kochi. So let's go. We have no time. Let's rush. Wow, so that was a good drive from Calicut, and we're right now at Thrissur. Yeah, I was sleeping behind. My dad was driving, and now we are off to Kochi. We have to go there and stay. Hey, what's up everybody? Good morning from Kochi. So it's 7 a.m. in the morning to be exact, and we are leaving to Trivandrum. We have to go there as early as possible, and we're to go via Pathanamthitta. So we left early, even though we reached like around 12:30 a.m. In the morning here. But it was a good ride, good journey. Now it was heading back to Trivandrum after a week. So let's go. So we just stopped at Alapi for breakfast. This hotel is called, a restaurant is called Brothers Restaurant. So if you ever go to Kochi via Alapi, stop by. It's a good restaurant. It's the second time I'm coming here, but still, it's very great.
Few moments later.
Hey, what's up everybody? So right now it's 3:30 in the afternoon. We reached Trivandrum like at 1 p.m. and had some things to do. So that's all done, and I'm outside right now. We had a great time with the family. So that was a break from all the busy life in the city. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're still watching, I really appreciate it. Hit that like button if you like it, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe because more videos are coming up, and a major ride is coming real quick. I mean real quick, so stay tuned. Take care. See ya. Bye.